I'm vlogging, I'm vlogging.
Ready.
I'm vlogging. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. My side today we're going to Mandeville, Manchester High versus Belair. Right now we are left out from town. The time is 12:35. We have match 3 o'clock, so we'll see what kind of driving the driver I go deal with. Yeah, rain right now, but it kind of ease up. So stay tuned. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. That's the golden rule. Alright, vlogger, this anytime we are going much now. You know, step on the water, we're full of water products. You know? So right now, if you want sparkling, we have sparkling. If you want grape, we have grape. Just want to keep it nice and cool, keep it nice and cool with a regular water. And we have everything chilled and nice. So what I say? So right now I'm going to go with a nice traditional, you know, keep me cool night there for the long journey ahead. So now we're there, gas station, get some gas. So we're getting ready for the road.
And the ear flavor that one. The ear flavor. The ear.
No, but me I tell you the truth though.
Throw it on my hand. I don't want to put my hand in there.
Can't see it.
Alright.
This one is to that.
Hey, Babylon them.
Show me make them now.
See boy them, huh?
Come on. Big belly boy.
Babylon them, man. Babylon, if you want to watch this, we're not coming up crimes, no? Not coming up crimes.
If I see one with a camera, they know where it is. You know what time it is.
Tell the bill.
You know what time it is.
That's a real talk. And them say the best car too.
See it there, you know, man, down in the girl devil, you know. Pizza Hut, juicy beef, KFC. You want to do that afterwards? Touchdown in Mandeville now. It's a 3:30 match and we reached down here 2:02. So I defend some food. Them I go over, them I go KFC. Me I tell them say Pizza Hut. It's a YouTube vlog. Yeah. Sure. So yeah, them I go defend the KFC, but me I tell them say Pizza Hut have a thing named My Box. So me I make them see it. My box are just $1,300. And your belly full for $1,300. I love pizza, so we're gonna test it out. See it now, My Box. $1,300 people. You understand? Choose Hawaiian. Some cinnamon sticks, I get a dip for them. And a drink. $1,300. The best lunch menu this right now, I find. I know them some resistant when I meet enough people buy it. It's bad. Alright, vlog where you have the KFC.
Oh yeah, my current story.
Burger King. Burger King. And what you get?
No, my food running so much.
Oh, your food running so?
KFC in ghetto.
Can't start already.
Look so. Must start already, no?
What?
Must start already.
You're mad, man.
Nobody there for the
Too much are going today. Too much are going today. Eh, few much are not started. Yeah, my side. Manchester High right now. That's how I get to consume the food. Remember I'm telling you the bad my box. So them over here, so I go and consume them KFC. But barbecue chicken. We can make KFC barbecue chicken in my yard. I know what you call it, the 7 herbs.
You know it?
Oh, but they hear that computer.
One bar is just I don't know. See it, yeah? Come on, man, if you can't turn bar boy, no? Wow.
Yeah, see that goal, that's the goal, daddy. And not even goal, is it. It's a youth run down and kick out the back here, sir. Yeah, it's body up part and a play.
My fight, my play. My fight.
No, sir.
My fight, yes.
Can't believe you miss it.
Everything got the goal now.
Come back, yeah.
Don't worry, everything.
So, I try to finish the food here, man. The cinnamon sticks in my
Yeah,
now.
it stay firm.
I put it in
So
my
like
dip.
that now.
Work time, you know. Don't consume the food. Oh, see, boy, them out. Oh, watch out. I say,
Is it early?
I mean, I say. Don't you say?
I miss it.
I say, brother. My day, I say 3:30 match, so how people at 3:30 match and at 3:15 now, the team them walk out already. So I don't understand. Something not right. Something not right. Yeah.
Manchester!
On right now, live on location, we have Sportsbox very own shelling down the food. People, the great Kimon Sullivan, we caught him ready. We are Lucky Box, open Lucky Box, man.
Like and subscribe.
Alright.
Cydon Bowen.
That is it.
That we are talking.
That is it. Respect, bro.
Yeah, man, bro.
I'm sure no job video now. The money I Sportsbox production boss. Now this is the great Javid Bryan checking in.
Finger here, boy! Yes! Over there!
No man, nobody can tell you. Long ball, be a long ball in my car. Like, just before it.
Hey, good afternoon. Just want to give you a prediction pretty much. Score prediction, that's it.
I tried to be neutral because I would not want to.
Your teacher video? So what are you associating with? How about the table crash right now? Chester, Belair, against
What?
Why not?
who are your things that come here? So Chester was wicked thing.
No, man, based on how them are playing, I don't think so. I think Belair can come back and score. Probably second match, second for a draw, and then we can move on to the next. So, that's fine.
With them ground this one. Making you hold it. Alright. Can I just put it behind him?
Yes, me have a party.
No, not TV, no sir.
Just
Put it behind him. Yeah. The Monday will showdown, Chester, Belair. Give me a score prediction.
I'm going to say 2-1. 2-1 to Manchester.
Why you think so?
Yeah, man, we have to them down this man.
So you think Belair can't come to Manchester and beat Chester?
That's a team come through.
Alright, Mr. Paris. Chester versus Belair. Give me a score prediction.
2-1.
Who will win?
Belair.
You think Belair come at Chester and beat Chester?
Today. No ifs, ands or buts. Now have yourself a good day.
Bless up and respect. Zane?
Bless up.
Alright. Manchester versus Belair. Give me a score prediction. What score? So why everybody thinks the Belair outcome can beat Chester at Chester? How the team looks so far this season? Because me here said them are going with Gators. Alright, thank you very much.
Prediction.
Yeah. No, you can't change it now.
2-0. Chester.
So how you know about today? You tell me the Belair are going to win.
Listen, I'm a smart man. I think a lot. 2-0.
Alright.
Chester.
So we give them both 4 or what?
When did you score your son?
Give them both 4-1.
Keeper, well done, keeper.
You get it on target, can't cuss him.
Yeah. Keeper is on it. Control. Run boy, run boy, run boy. Run boy. Run boy.
So General.
Sprat the cameraman attack here.
So
My brother.
like how that no score, your prediction and change again.
2-0. Chester. Alright?
Alright.
And this is signed, sealed, and delivered.
One love,
Alright.
Chester.
Alright?
Alright.
Any day of the week.
Me have evidence so you can't change your
Call at me. This is Sprat Daily.
Alright.
Live.
Come back. Yeah. That's my boy.
Linesman, you get the wrong linesman. What you do?
Yeah.
Idiot. Oh, linesman.
Yeah.
Everybody got to tell you say idiot.
Come on, boy, Chester. Animal
Tell you say idiot.
Yes, take him off of that.
Watch it.
Watch big man at work. Yeah.
Watch big man at work, Bingy.
See it there again. So clearly the defender can make the pass.
Schoolboy, my second season is as schoolboy football and I do last season full with water. Relax down one. And the mistake I made. A penalty give it? Judge. What you say?
2-1 Chester.
What I say now, people? So, my second season is the schoolboy football and I think I say I can just vlog when I come because this season I go St. Elizabeth already. We go up at Dintil, we go Clarendon College, now we're there Manchester. So I say, yo, better me just vlog my day them. It's a nice little journey. I want to tell me I come in, so who wanna think I go win schoolboy football this season? Manning Cup and D Cup. What you say?
CC for D Cup.
You keep up with Manning Cup?
No, I'm in a light tone.
You know like? Alright.
Okay, so you look good.
A stats I win Manning Cup, you know.
said time to take the time. You know what's that? Keeper! Oh God, you make the road pass him. Hey, yo! The officer that will make a player get hurt.
Actually, I tried something for the first time now, my side. I try record, what them call this, log? Yeah. I try recording a log. Flat. What you say? Flat? Yeah. I try recording a flat. So the raw footage come out in a like basically no color in it. I show you how it looks. So it look black and white. So I'm going to try see if I can color it myself because that's the professional, what do you call him? Cinematographers. Yeah. I say professional man, the big YouTuber them. And them color the video themselves. So if you want to put in the yellow, the green, all them things there, and them do it themselves. So I'm try to learn it to them levels there. You understand? So let me know if you don't think I must start shoot that way, yeah? Or just continue to do it how I always do it. Yeah, so right now we're going to do some post-match interview. This is the man them called Bingy. And skillful them will say all that. Tell me your real name, Bingy. Christian Henry. Alright. Good? Yeah. Christian, 3-1 final score today. I don't think that's a fair reflection of the game. What do you think?
Well, it was a good game, but it was fluctuated up and down in the latter part. It was a good game.
I saw you looking very exciting out there. Skillful player. Which players in Europe influence your playing style?
Well, it is Sterling for me.
Raheem Sterling, so you're a Chelsea fan?
Yeah.
But now looking ahead to the second round, how's the team looking? Does this team look like a team that could possibly, you know, have a goal going to the semi-finals, or is it now just taking it one game at a time?
Yeah, we could have take it one game at a time, but we are going back on to the training pitch and work on it. And
finally, the Manchester team, opponents today, how does that team look to you?
Well, it was a great team, and we do what we have to do. So it is a great team.
Best up and respect. Zane? Biggs, give me something, Biggs.
All right.
Yeah, man, we're going back to town now.
Alright, later.
I agree, big Zina, man. One big Zina, yeah. Javon, 3-1 final scoreline, but you actually made some great saves. Even conceded a penalty, but you actually, I can see you see the penalty at the end of rolling. How was the game for you?
It was good, it was good. No, but
what you think went wrong today? Because as I said, watching the game from the sidelines, I thought Denby actually went toe-to-toe with Manchester, but something just collapsed in the end.
Defense line started sleep after his second goal, his third goal, yeah, his second goal scored. So then start sleep. All of them start sit back. Then listen, man, anytime I tell them to step, they might walk out. I don't like that. That I chew off my game some time though.
But overall though, the plan that the coach had set out for you guys coming into this game, do you think that the attacking force delivered that plan?
Yeah, them do good, yeah. Yeah, they could have done much better though, but yeah.
Alright, and going now into the second round, does this team look like one that could possibly push for a semi-final spot, or one that is just taking it one game at a time?
Yeah, we can push to the semi-final. Yeah, it's a good team. Yeah. Bless up and respect, Zane.
Alright, it's the end of the game. We are head back to town now, so we are load up here. We are load up. At 5:44 now. So we are going to see what time it take us to reach back at town. Where's it for reach at town? Yeah, finish. Me the one dash it way.
Where been there?
General, you know what? Oh, Mr. One garbage with. Mr. One garbage with. Never mind. Me I go dash them when I come back. Just a dash away pizza box, people. Just a dash away pizza box. Eh? Yeah, brother. Just a dash away pizza box.